Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your Alexandrus, guys, and today we will be talking about Fandomdao, which is the most profitable SocialFi app for 2024 in my personal opinion, guys. So before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So Fandomdao is basically a social platform. Currently they have this nice little voting here where you can vote for 2024 Billboard Music Awards, who will be the global musician who will receive the most awards this year. But first of all, let me tell you what Fandomdao actually is. As you can see, you need to log in with your Apple, Google, or just simply connect your wallet, as easy as that. But basically, let's first of all introduce you to Fandomdao. So Fandomdao, guys, is an innovative web-free social platform for global fandom. Artists and global fandoms from all over the world come together to communicate and freely create and share content through clubs, feeds, events, etc. So that all acts of communication are created with economic value and they are also rewarded. And that's why, in my opinion, this is the most rewarding SocialFi platform. So guys, really don't miss out on this, okay? Don't miss out on this. I will plug it down below in the description so you can check it out, but I'm really excited to bring it in because it's actually something different from my usual reviews on the channel. So it is a new concept. It is a new concept social fandom service that allows even Web 2 users who have no experience with Web 3 to use Web 3 services very easily with just a social account, for example this Google account or Apple ID, okay? So that's why it's also cool that they have those login methods here. So at the core of Fandomdao's groundbreaking initiative lies the Fandomdao Challenge, which is a visionary endeavor that harnesses the collective power of fan participation and charitable giving. Through this innovative fusion, guys, Fandomdao endeavors to catalyze positive impact on communities across the globe, all while honoring the unwavering passion of fans. And distinguishing itself through the integration of Web3 and blockchain technology, Fandomdao Fandomdao users in a new era of decentralized operation and equitable rewards for user engagement. Well, they also have still great accessibility, so the accessibility remains paramount, with Fandomdao ensuring a user-friendly experience for all, regardless of familiarity with blockchain, through seamless integration with existing social logins. And this convergence of fandom, charity and blockchain technology heralds a new era of fan engagement where passion intersects with purpose and community-driven initiative. So there is really a lot to it, and they have been also mentioned in multiple articles, which I will bring up. So first one, which we have here, ICP Hub Korea for strategic partnership with Fandomdao. They are actually getting a lot of collaborations through, and this one is also cool because for the second Fandomdao challenge they have secured over 1 million new users in just 3 weeks. So this also shows you what kind of growth this SocialFi concept gives and how powerful it actually is, okay? So it has a lot of potential, guys, and they are starting the trading literally just now as I'm making this video, but we'll get into the trading in just a bit. So that's basically that. And you might talk, what kind of challenges are you talking about? So, well, you can participate in the vote for the global musician expected to receive the most awards at the 2024 Billboard Music Awards, guys. And if you vote for the first place, you can receive a FAND airdrop, which is currently ongoing, okay? So this is the event. I will link it down below so you can easily find it. And as you can see, you have the artists, you have the voting period, you have the announcement of voting results, you have the airdrop information, so all the social medias and all of that, which I absolutely recommend you to go ahead and join so you can stay updated with all the information that Fandomdao is pushing. Join the Telegram, guys. 12,000 members. They are very active here, so if you want to stay updated with the stuff that they are pushing, then you should definitely be joining this Telegram, guys. But getting back into this, you have an explanation how to participate. Very easy. You register, as you can see, you acquire 300 FAO per account, and these are the points that are used for voting. Then you can use your points to participate in the voting challenge, as you can see. And then you share the event link and tag 2 friends, okay? You also get 50 FAO earned when sharing the link. It is once per account. You have information about the rewards, and it is very rewarding, so I recommend you to go ahead and check those out. Then you hit vote now, and you can see how many people voted. There is currently 856,000 votes. And there is still quite a bit of time to participate, so this will be definitely in millions, I would say. And you can see what kind of artists are getting the best voting, and there is a lot of them. And so currently, from what I can see, Taylor Swift is winning. Then we have Selena Gomez, Miley Cyrus, BTS, Blackpink, Drake, Rihanna. So yeah, you can vote for your favorite artist, or you can just go for the safe vote and let's say vote for Taylor Swift, for example. So it's up to you, obviously, how you will play it out. They also had this one, which was for Squid Game, which was also very cool. And as you can see, they had 200,000 votes on that one. And this one is already completed, but it was a cool one nonetheless. And as you can see, it was with collaboration with Save the Children. So they are doing charitable actions too, which I always appreciate. Go ahead, guys, follow them on Twitter. They're posting a lot of cool information on their Twitter. They have almost 200,000 followers. There is this MXC listing announcement, which we'll take a look in just a second. But they also have announced this this collaboration, I wanted to say, with Internet Computer, with the ICP. So ICP also highly evaluates the potential of Fandomdao for its performance, leveraging fandom to secure over 1 million new users in a short period, and showcasing an impressive participation rate of 95.7%, guys. They're gaining a lot of exposure, and honestly they are really set to go sky high in 2024, I would say. That's why I'm bringing this in, because I always bring you the projects that have the potential, obviously, as you guys know. They have announced this listing as well, which is right here, as I was talking about it. Boom, that's the listing. Okay. So yes, this is the listing right there, and if you go to MXC, you can go ahead and see that they should start trading literally as I'm making the video. So once you are watching it, then you probably already have an open trading. You can already deposit. They also have this airdrop for 50,000 USDT, and you need to check out how to participate. So if you want to participate in this, then I will also link you the MXC article. MXC, great exchange. I just had a video on MXC as well. One of the best exchanges in my opinion, so it's great to see them listing on MXC. So I'm thinking what else I can show you. I could definitely show you this article, Unveiling Fandomdao, official launch introduces a paradigm shift in fan interaction. So it's also a solid article, basically, that explains the whole service, okay, that has launched on February 20th. Explains the whole concept. Obviously, the company is fully registered and legitimate when it comes to that. So guys, if you will be interested in checking out Fandomdao, then you can definitely go ahead and check out the links down below in the description. They have a lot of potential. Even checking like their competition, they are just straight up top when it comes to this. They are constantly doing those cool airdrops and challenges. So give it a try, guys. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. And that will be it from me for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next ones, coming out soon.